2035, the consumption of lab-grown meat is rapidly gaining traction. As early as the 2020s, strides in the field of biological tissue engineering allowed for the cultivation of synthetic meat from individual animal cells. Following years of refinement and testing, an expansive array of meat-based products is now available, driving a rapidly burgeoning market. Lab-grown meat offers a host of benefits, being produced without inflicting harm or cruelty on animals, and demanding substantially lower quantities of water and energy for production, resulting in a significantly diminished environmental footprint.